Hello friends, welcome back in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Divya. Today we will discuss about the coccydynia. What is coccydynia? Coccydynia is the pain in and around the coccyx. Now what is coccyx? Coccyx is a small triangular part of our spine. It is the bottom. It is the base of our spine. See friends, you can see in this image, this is our whole spine. See friend, this is our whole spine and this is the last part. This last part is called coccyx. This is a triangular bone. This is last triangular bone of our spine is called coccyx. When the pain comes in and around the coccyx, it is called coccydynia, or it is also called the tailbone pain. It is more common in females than males. It is more common in adult and adolescents than the childs. Now, what are the causes? There are a lot of causes, but I will tell you about some important causes. So friends, first cause is the obesity. If you are obese, then the pressure is extra on your muscles and ligament around the coccyx. It will cause strain and it stretch the muscles of around the coccyx. It will cause pain. Now, next cause, trauma and fracture around the coccyx also develop this condition of coccydynia. Next is cause is the childbirth or pregnancy. If you are pregnant, it is normal to develop this condition, this problem. It's very normal in pregnant females. Then this problem is very common in pregnant women because of the growing fetus put extra pressure on your ligament and muscles around the coccyx, and this problem can develop. Next is friend, child underweight. If you are underweight, then if you have low fat around your butts, it will cause the repetitive movement of the muscles and ligament of the around the coccyx, and it strain or inflame the tissue around the coccyx. Repetitive, because of repetitive movement around the coccyx, the soft tissue around your coccyx is inflamed and swollen, and there are pain and swelling around the coccyx, and you have discomfort. So friends, next cause, what are the next cause? Next cause is the friends, if you are prolonged sit on the hard surface and narrow surface, prolonged sitting on narrow and hard surface also develop this condition, this problem. Next is the, if you are long standing case also develop, can also develop this condition. So friends, these are the some short and common cause of this problem. Now what are the symptoms? Symptoms, pain during you are standing, prolonged sitting, you have pain. In severe cases, if you are walking, if you are standing also you have pain. Next is the front, pain during bowel movement, pain during sex also are the symptom of this problem. Some patient, because of pain, you can't do the your daily routine, daily task, everyday activity. You have more difficult to do these everyday movements. Because of that, the patient are suffering with the problem of anxiety, depression, poor sleep. One more thing for the pregnant woman, if you are pregnant, then a doctor also advise you to sleep your sideline position. You have to sleep on your side, not supine position. So friends, this is important thing which you have to know, so you can sleep at your side. It will decrease your pain, decrease your discomfort, it will relax you. So you have to know this also. So friends, start the exercise. First, lie on your bed like this. Now, bend your one leg like this. Grab with your hand and pull towards your chest. hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then down. Repeat this movement 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again repeat. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. This exercise helps to relieve the pressure on your coccyx, relax your muscles and decrease your pain. It is very simple exercise you can easily do at your home. Now with the other leg, repeat this same exercise like this. Grab your leg, bend and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then down. Again repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Bend your knee. Pull towards your chest. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then down. Do these exercises 2 times in a day, morning and evening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Next exercise, with your both knees are bent like this. Grab with your hand like this. Now pull towards your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then down. Again we repeat this exercise like this. Grab, pull towards your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Also do this exercise 2 times in a day, morning, evening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. It will also relax your muscles, relieve your pain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Initially we start with 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. So this is the second exercise. This squatting exercise. How can we do? Like this. Apart your legs like this. Now bend your knees like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can also do this exercise 2 times in a day. So friends, these are 3 simple exercises which you can do at your home easily. You 100% relieve this condition. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and share, and see you in next video.